Hi children, welcome back once again in today's class. Today we are going to see Unit 3rd Reading B, that is A Nation's Strength, A Nation's Strength by Ralph Waldo Emerson, American poet. Ralph Waldo Emerson, American poet. Okay. Though the poem is very small, it has a broad meaning in it. It is a sensible poem which makes everyone think. Right, students? It is a poem of just one stanza of around 8 lines, but has a lot of sense, a lot of meaning in it. Okay, students? Shall we start? Work. But before it, you see, a nation's strength. Let me know. Strength is noun. Parts of speech. Suppose in examination, the word strength will be underlined. You will be asked what is the parts of speech of underlined word? Strength. What is the parts of speech of? Okay, what is the parts of speech of here? Strength is noun. Strength is noun. Then what is the adjective form of strength? Adjective form enti? Yes, that is strong. It is adjective form. Okay. Adjective form. Okay. Adverb form enti? Strongly. Strongly. Right. Verb form enti? Strengthen. Strengthen verb. Strengthen verb. Okay. Strength noun. Strong adjective. Strengthen verb. Strongly adverb. Right. And see. A nation's strength. Then let me know what is the strength of a nation according to you. ఒక దేశం స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండాలంటే పవర్ఫుల్ ఉండాలంటే దానికి స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఏంటి? ఏముంటే ఆ దేశం స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. రైట్. అవర్ నేషన్స్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్. రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్. మీన్స్ యూ షుడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఎకనామికల్లీ. డబ్బులు ఫుల్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, రైట్. అగైన్, వాట్ క్యాన్ మేక్ అ నేషన్ స్ట్రాంగ్? వాట్ క్యాన్ మేక్ అ నేషన్ స్ట్రాంగ్? ఓకే, ఇండస్ట్రీస్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, రైట్. Industrialization should be developed, then nation will be strong. Again, anything? Okay, beliefs. Very good. Beliefs means people should believe in their nation. Antena? Right, okay, very good. Again, any other points? Who can make a nation great and strong? The strength of a country depends on what? Politicians. Do you want to say the same? Politicians. Okay, right. Again, right here, but the poet Ralph Waldo Emerson, what does he think to make a nation strong? According to Ralph Waldo Emerson, what are the aspects that make a nation great and strong? Great undali, strong undali. దానికోసం ఏమేమి ఉండాలి కంట్రీలో? Let us see now in the form of the poetry. What is said? Not gold. Not gold. Means you see, if the country is a lot of gold, country has a lot of gold, abundant, right? Platinum, silver, coal, iron ore, aluminum ore, whatever may be. If that natural sources are more, the country will be great and strong మేము అంటాం. ఏ కంట్రీ దగ్గర గోల్డ్ ఫుల్ ఉంది? రిచెస్ట్ కంట్రీ అంటాం, స్ట్రాంగ్ కంట్రీ అంటాం. యూ సీ వెస్టర్న్ కంట్రీస్ ఆర్ గల్ఫ్ కంట్రీస్. ఇన్ గల్ఫ్ కంట్రీస్ there is a lot of petrol and means oil wells are there. Oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene, water may be. Rich country that is. Is strong country. In India, there are different kinds of mines. Different kinds of mines are there. Coal mine there, some are gold mine there, oil mine there, oil refineries are there, Turbhe, Trombe, right? Different places, different natural resources are in India also. Can that make a nation great and strong? What he says, not gold. Gold kaadu, oil kaadu, aim kaadu, minerals kaadu. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Only men can make, only men, we the people, only men can make a people great and strong. You see here, a people, what is the meaning of people here? Particularly in this line, people stand for the country, nation, country or nation. What is said here? Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake. Etlanti manishulu undali. Whatever men can make a nation great and strong. There are many people. Laborers are there. Poor are there. Rich are there. Lower class, middle class, higher class. At economical ladder. Etlanti manishi can make a nation great and strong. Think for a while. What is said here? Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Yes, etlanti manishi can make a nation great and strong. What is said? A men who for truth, for the sake of truth, satyam. Satyameva jayate antam. Satyameva jayate. Satyam, truth. The people who for truth's sake and honor's sake, honor, self-respect and respect toward the country, honor's sake, stand fast. Stand fast means they never run away in a difficult situation. Stand fast means refuse to give up. Stand for means refuse to give up. Etlanti condition vaste, they will be there without running away by facing the problems courageously. That type of men can make a nation great and strong. What is it here? Stand fast and suffer long. Opikato baristaru. Atlanti manishulu. Okay? Those who never give up, even in odd situation, difficult situation, and they suffer long to reach their goal. That type of people can make a nation great and strong. Brave men who work while others sleep. Brave men who work while others sleep. Do you know who are the brave men in India now? Brave men evariki annali? The brave men who work while others sleep. Very good. When you are sleeping, your father, mother work. Okay, they are brave people. Okay, right. But what about the country? During night time or daytime, we are taking rest happily in peaceful situation. Because of whom? Very good, right? That is army, soldiers. Those are fighting against the enemies day and night, 24 hours. Okay, at the borderline. You see, China is attacking now and then. China. This is Pakistan attacking now and then. Terrorism is everywhere. There is lot of threat about the particular country. And see, but brave men who work while others sleep means Jawans, army soldiers. Okay. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly, who dare while others fly. Piriki vallu paripotaru. The coward people runs away from the situation. Whereas the brave people, they stand fast there and suffer long to gain the victory over the enemy or to reach their goal. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. When other people run away, only the person who stands fast and fights or dares against the situation, that type of person can make a nation great and strong. They build a nation's pillars deep. They build nations pillars deep. Here they stands for whom? They stands for whom? They stands for, here are four qualities people, you see. First is who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Okay, the people for the truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long, they can make a nation great strong. Again, brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly, can make a nation great and strong. Arthamainda? These four kinds of people. They build the nation's pillars deep. They build the pillars deep and lift them to the sky, and lift them to the sky. Pillar. What is the pillar here? Pillar of safetyness, their self-confidence. Those people, they build the nation's pillars deep. ఒక కంట్రీ, ఒక నేషన్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండాలి అంటే, you see, you have seen many buildings are constructed. If you want to be the building strong and lasting forever, what has to be done? The pillars should be strong at all. Pillars. ఇక్కడ బేస్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది, పిల్లర్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటాయి, ఆ బిల్డింగ్ ఇట్ లాస్ట్ ఫర్ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ టుగెదర్. దిల్ విల్ బి నో ప్రాబ్లమ్ విత్ ద బిల్డింగ్ ఫర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్. అంతే కదా? Alike, as the building stands on the strong pillars, the same way nation's building stands on the strong pillars of the Jawans. Okay, these people who fight for the sake of truth and honor, those who work hard and those who dare while others fly, these people make the nation. Means how many set of people are in a country, that much strong the nation is. And build and lift them to the sky. And when there are many people of such kind having proud of the country, having respect of the country, fight for the sake of country's honor, self honor, for the sake of truth, right, they can make a country developed as high as to the sky. Right, students? Here Ralph Waldo Emerson points out these four qualities of four people, those who make a nation great and strong. Okay, students? Once again in short, you see, nation strength. Strength is a noun, strong is adjective, strongly adverb, and strengthen verb. Right? In this poetry, the people stands for the country or nation. Right? They stands for the people who are brave and fight for the sake of truth and honor sake of nation. Okay. Those who dare while others fly, those who work hard while others sleep, these people are shown with the pronoun they. Right? And these people can make a nation great and strong and lift them to the sky. Okay, means pillars, strength, strong pillars of India or nation, they raise up to the sky, and daniki haddu undudu mata. Alright, students, very good. I hope you understand this poetry. Right, today have a let us break here, and let us in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.